Hey guys, and welcome back. This is a 2017 Kia Sorento, and the concern is speed number 2, I don't hear the blower motor kicking on. Number 3 still off, but number 4 is a full blast. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so I dig the history of this vehicle. Basically, this vehicle was here a couple of months ago, and my coworker worked on it, and he installed the blower motor resistor. And obviously they're back again for the same concern. It did work for a few months, but now it's open again. Let's see what's going on. So I gotta remove this one here. I believe there's 3 of them. There's 3 clip. I'm just gonna use my tool here. There we go. There's another one here, and the last one will be in this side. There you go. So basically, you're just gonna release the tension right there, the clip. Then you can just remove this. Oh, what is that? What is that in the motor? So the resistor is right here. I can't really show you guys, but you know what? I'm just gonna go remove this one really quick. Alright, so I'm just gonna use this rag just to protect myself. Okay. Then I got this tool. Okay. Is there another one up there? I thought this one is just gonna unhook. Don't want to break it. Well, I think we gotta undo this. Just undo this. It's not too bad to undo this. Yeah, that's right there. Oh, this guy is connected through here. Okay. There we go. Now we can see a lot better. So I don't know. I don't see any other screw here. We can able to see it now. Just gonna undo the connector. I don't see any evidence of overheating. And let's see. Yeah, my tool will fit. So you don't really have to deal with this one. Okay. Here it is, guys. Yep. this one pop again because there's a tension going on right here, right? Not sure why it has that color, and I don't like this. Could be the bearing right here is going out, but mostly this one will pop out because of this much tension going on. The solder is not strong enough to keep it in place, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Just to remove the tension. I'm gonna use a different tool. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this tool to get rid of this tension. There we go. I'm gonna solder this guy and I'm gonna go ahead and put it back. Alright, so here is my stuff. Actually my parts guy stuff. I need something to hold this like this. Now let's heat this up. It's gonna take a while. You ready? Not yet. I can smell it now. It's gonna be ready pretty soon. Oh, there we go. Whew. Alright, let's do this. Ooh. Oh, don't do that. I'm not really good at this thing. Oh boy. Come on, don't make me look bad. It's not gonna be pretty, guys, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work. What the heck? There we go. There we go. There we go. Woo! It looks good now. I like it. I'm just gonna do it more over here. It is connected, but I want more over here to secure it. There we go. Now I'm gonna melt this. There you go. Are they touching now? Hopefully I didn't hurt this guy. Yeah? Yeah? It's solid now. It's connected. I still want to put some in this side though. I'm so bad at this one. There we go. That's gonna be enough. There we go. It's not pretty, guys, but it's gonna fix it, and it's not gonna disconnect it anymore because no more tension. So alright, let's put this in. Yep, it's gonna go in this way. Just be careful. There we go. Let's work on the first screw. No, it's not. If I plug this in, it's gonna hold it in place. There we go. Then work on the first screw. Then work on the second one. Okay, now before I tighten everything, I just want to test it first. Okay, let's try this. We are speed 0, speed 1. There we go. Speed number 2, 3, force 4, okay, it's fixed. Now let's go tight this thing. Hopefully you guys can be able to see it. Tight it gently. There we go. Oops. Doesn't want to do it. Alright, I got a different tool here just to manually screw this in. There we go. There we go, that's tight. Check the other side. Okay, it's tight. I think it's the best time to put this one too. Oops. Smell orange chicken in here.
Yummy!
Alright. Tight and secure. Let's check the cabin filter really quick. There's something in it, but it's not too bad. I might just gonna leave this thing alone. But I'm gonna go ahead and mention this dust coming from here. Maybe this bearing is going out. That's why there's all kind of dust down there. Should I put this one first or the other one? I think I can put this one first. Here we go. Then get this thing ready. Okay. Line it up. Then press this thing in. There we go. Install the dampener in this clip. Here. There we go. I think this guy belongs to there. Okay. Alright guys, so obviously this one is fixed. I can smell orange chicken in here. Volume number 2, or speed number 2 and 3 and 4. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.